Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Hedera price prediction and Hedera news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Hedera in 2022. Hedera is the most used, sustainable enterprise-grade public network for the decentralized economy that allows individuals and businesses to create powerful decentralized applications. It was funded through an initial coin offering in August 2018 and first launched open access to its mainnet just over a year later in September 2019. As part of the ICO, investors were able to purchase the platform's native utility token at the lowest possible pricing. First and foremost, HBAR, the fuel that powers Hedera services, such as smart contracts, file storage and regular transactions. Second, it's used to help secure the network, since HBAR users can stake their tokens to assist with maintaining the integrity of the platform. Altcoins have been closely following the movement of Bitcoin over the last few weeks, but this is no surprise. However, there are times when these altcoins are able to break out of the shadow of the pioneer cryptocurrency and make out a rally for themselves. This is referred to as altcoin season. But while the crypto market waits for this to begin, an analyst has mapped out two assets that may see major upside in the coming days. A crypto market strategist has put forward two altcoins that they believe are headed for a rally. Credible, a pseudonymous analyst with over 300,000 followers on Twitter, laid out their analysis for the digital assets. These assets are Ripple and Hedera hashgraph, a DeFi token that has been making the rounds in the space. Ripple is just coming out of its legal battle with the SEC, and although it is still ongoing, the altcoin has begun to find its footing outside of the scandal. It trended low for the longest time, causing investors to believe that the cryptocurrency may be headed for death. But it has proved everyone wrong, as it has once again begun to rally towards $1, even though it hasn't quite made it yet. For what will push the digital asset above the coveted $1 mark, Credible explains that a bounce is imminent once the cryptocurrency forms the expected bottom. At which point, it will continue upward to $1. We are now right in my area of interest, Credible said. Might head a few cents lower than where we are now, but as per my last tweet, I expect we form a bottom, higher low in this region and continue up. XRP. For the second altcoin, HBAR, a similar bullish outlook is shared by the analyst. Pointing to the recent pullback experienced by the digital asset, they explained that the asset will need to reclaim the region marked in the chart in order to finally confirm a bottom. Furthermore, Credible said that they would like to see us hold the 2 cents to 2 cents region and then make another attempt at reclaiming the weekly supply. XRP is still trending around 70 cents, not showing much momentum but pointing towards the fact that the bottom may have been reached. If this is the case, then Credibee's plan for a bounce towards $1 could have some merit. As for HBAR, it is still trending low at 20 cents, around the daily support proposed by Credible. This could serve as a bounce point for upward movement, but if it does break below this point, then the downtrend may yet continue. Yuga Labs, the blockchain development firm behind the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT series, is reportedly in talks with a 16Z, Andreessen Horowitz, a Silicon Valley tech venture capital firm that's currently focused on crypto startups. English football giants Manchester United is to be partnering up with the Tezos blockchain platform to unveil new training kit sponsorship. HBAR Foundation and Ubisoft have partnered up to support the growth of gaming on Hedera network. Dune Analytics, a Web3 analytics platform, has announced the fundraise of $69,420,000, making the platform a unicorn with a valuation of $1 billion. The cryptocurrency exchange FTX has acquired the Liquid Group and all of its operating subsidiaries, including the Quan Corporation. Payments technology firm Visa's latest earnings report shows that spending for crypto assets through its cards has surged in the first fiscal quarter of the year. In the latest Series B funding round, the Phantom Wallet has raised a total of $109 million funding round on a $1.2 billion valuation. India welcomes the new crypto tax regime, as the government announces a flat 30% tax on income from all digital assets. Opposing the Bank of Russia's views on banning cryptocurrencies, the country's Ministry of Finance is lobbying the government to legalize crypto as financial assets. The UK's HMRC has updated its crypto assets manual that it published last year, to provide legislative clarification on how DeFi will be taxed in the UK. The South African Financial Sector Conduct Authority has issued statements warning citizens against trading in the FTX and Bybit exchanges. The HBAR cryptocurrency is one of the altcoins that demonstrated a bullish trend from the beginning of 2021 to the end of March. As a result, many crypto traders have shown interest in the digital coin, as its blockchain technology shows many prospects of becoming a force to be reckoned with in the blockchain industry. We will look at what the HBAR token is, how the blockchain functions, its forecast for the rest of 2021 and 2022 to help traders assess whether a cryptocurrency project is a profitable investment or not. The Hedera hashgraph token, commonly referred to as HBAR, is the proprietary cryptocurrency of the Hedera hashgraph blockchain network. The current price is $0.1696. The Hedera hashgraph network issues HBAR tokens cyclically, ensuring that the total number of coins available during the first few years of the blockchain will remain below the 2/3 required to reach consensus. Every month, Hedera releases a detailed description of how it will distribute the next wave of HBAR tokens, through public reports published on its official website in the HBAR economics sections, on the HBAR tab, in What are Hedera's current HBAR reserves? According to the official document of Hedera, by 2025 there will be about 17 billion hectobars tokens in circulation, which is about 34% of the total maximum number of coins. Hedera hashgraph blockchain is a distributed registry technology that provides individuals and companies with a platform for creating decentralized applications, dApps, the level of trust on the internet. The founders of Hedera and the rest of the development team developed it to offer solutions to some of the problems, such as instability and poor performance, that most older blockchains, such as blockchain and Ethereum, face. The blockchain was launched via ICO in 2018 and introduced its main network a year later, in 2019. HBAR uses a consensus mechanism known as hashgraph. It includes an ever-changing governing council, which consists of 39 diverse organizations selected from different industries. This board manages and updates the Hedera hashgraph codebase, votes on platform decisions, and manages the initial nodes of the blockchain. The overall security setup of Hedera hashgraph allows you to achieve asynchronous fault tolerance, which guarantees the execution of transactions at a set time, regardless of whether data is available or not. The hashgraph consensus mechanism used by Hedera hashgraph is completely different from the consensus mechanisms used by most blockchains and allows Hedera hashgraph to offer the best services in terms of scalability, speed and transaction cost. Hedera hashgraph can process more than 10,000 transactions per second, which is much more than what blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum can process per second. And although it takes from 10 to 60 minutes to confirm transactions in blockchains such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, it takes only 3 to 5 seconds to confirm a transaction in Hedera hashgraph. As for the cost of transactions, Hedera hashgraph is much cheaper compared to